someone were to tell you, "I've got my eye on you," does that literally mean that they have their eye on you? They're pressing their eyeball against your body.
That's what we call an idiom, which is...
It has nothing to do with this guy, Joey Eye, who, if he's in your face, that means your eye's been busted open in a boxing match. Do you see what I mean? Likewise, if someone says, "Get off my back," they don't mean that you are literally on their back. It's a figure of speech. It's an expression, a way of saying, "Stop bothering me." What it comes down to, folks, idioms are a way of spicing up our language. Instead of just being literal and exact, sometimes they give a bit of maybe something short of a poetic element to our speech. But they do give flavor to how we express ourselves. I hope that's helpful. Thank you, and I shall talk to you soon. Bye, partner.